Okay, this video gonna be a little different. This one is one for my phone. This little screw right here, I had to take it out so I can take it's a bracket that goes on there. That's that bracket. So I can take this cable off. I had to take the gas tank off. It's 2 screws. See the 2 mounting screws? Those are the little screws right there. Then this bracket goes right there. And then as you come around, it's going to go to my throttle cable. I better leave it sideways. It's going to go through my throttle cable. Those are the wires right there that you can see. And this is the replacement wire that I'm put on it. I needed a flathead screwdriver and a star key. It's probably like a 25T, something like that, torque. But yeah, that's what I ended up having to use to take this off, and I'll show you. That's my backpack blower, Husqvarna 580 BTS. I'll put it back together, so the video gonna probably be short. It ain't gonna show you step by step, but I will tell you this: I gotta feed the wire in through this cable, this little housing, and it's taped up, so you can kind of see it. So I try and make the video short and sweet.